Selling like a pro is easy at RenderHub. Just follow these simple tips and you'll be on your way to making more money with your 3D creations. First, when adding your product name, make sure to use proper title case. This means only major words are capitalized. Do not use all caps or all lowercase. You should also avoid using terms like 3D model because the system will add that automatically. Next, write a proper description that gives customers useful information about your product. Not only does this help them with their buying decision, it will help your product rank higher in the search engines like Google. Spending a little bit of time here will pay off with more sales for you. Choose an appropriate category and subcategory for your product. The system will recommend some for you, but you may find even better options by using the search box. Choosing the right categories will send more traffic to your product page, increasing your chances of making a sale. Use proper keyword tags that are relevant to your product. This is very important. Don't use a bunch of irrelevant keywords hoping to get more clicks to your product page. It won't help. Polygon and Vertex count. Don't just put random numbers here. Customers need accurate information so they can decide if your model will fit the needs of their project. Inaccurate information here frequently leads to a refund request. Properly selecting photorealistic and game ready gives important information to your potential customer. Do not select these options if they don't apply. Buyers will not be happy if they've been misled. If you're unsure what these terms really mean, please do some research. You're a 3D content creator, so you should be familiar with the terms of the industry. Promotional images? Let's start with the main thumbnail because it's extremely important. The main thumbnail is what the customer sees while browsing the website. If you create an eye-catching main thumbnail, you will increase click-throughs to your product page. A clean, uncluttered image with a single view of your product works best. Avoid using multiple views or text on your main thumbnail unless your product is a bundle or a collection. Crop your image properly. Zoom in on your product so it fills the frame, leaving a slight border around the edges. Creating an awesome thumbnail image is one of the best things that you can do to generate more sales. Promo images. You should include at least 5 high-quality images that show your product from different angles. Use detailed shots to highlight features and consider using a wireframe image. Show off how amazing your product is and you will be rewarded with more sales. Now, if you want your product to really stand out, you should include a video. 360-degree turntables or fly-through videos make a big impact and help increase your sales. Congratulations, you've published your products on RenderHub. Now what? Well, don't sit around and wait for people to find your products. Lead customers to them. Promoting your products and your store will always result in more profits for you. So what can you do? Well, RenderHub has a product showcase section in the forum. Announcing your item here with a few promo images is a great first step. But here's the big one. Use social media and drive traffic to your products. Promoting yourself on social media is free, only takes a bit of time, and is a great way to boost your profits. If you want to generate even more buzz, put your products on sale. Using the Sale Manager tool effectively is a great way to increase traffic to your store. You can also create promo code coupons. Sharing your coupons on social media is a fantastic way to entice customers to visit your store. You can also use coupons as a reward for previous buyers. Send it to them in a thank you message. Customers love this, so it will increase your chances of turning a previous buyer into a repeat customer. So there you go. You have the knowledge and you have the tools. Now go start selling like a pro.